First rides here. I wasn't able to get there before they pulled us out of the woods, but it's at my house now. Take a gander at it. 1955 Chevrolet pickup, short bed. Hood looks good, roof looks good. Pretty rough old truck. And what's sad, this truck, the guy was telling me he was running and driving. The guy had brakes put on, they've got to bleed the brakes. So it went off a hill backwards into pine thickets. You see where it took a rear end damage to this fender here. Come across the fender, hit the cab. I don't know what happened to the tailgate. The tree might have fell on it, but this side was a little dent fender there, but this fender up here took a hit this way in the tree, looks like. So that was probably the only reason they parked this thing back then. And just sitting, withered away. I'll try to get the hood open here in a minute. See what we got for an engine. Let's see if I can get one hand here. Yeah, I did it. Oh. Hey. Old straight six, little rusty firewall there. Battery trays on, of course. And stove bolt six. Get the push button starter in the floor. 3 speed on the column. Let's see here. Ooh, she's tight. Tighter than a duck's butt. No, she ain't free and easy. I could probably free her up. 55 now. Yeah, they don't have Babbitt rods. They got bearings in them. I know I had a 49 Chevy one time, had Babbitt rods in it. Have to see what the original color was. Yeah, actually, battleship gray, actually. Well, it looks like under there. I thought this was primer. This may actually be the paint. I don't know. Yeah. Might be a little butter fit in there. Take that fuel tank out. See the seat on back. And the old steering wheel. No, oh well, no sun visor anyway. Hey, the keys in the ignition. Look at there. Love the dash. Yep. This would be a good tow rig for my 57, wouldn't it? That's what I'm thinking. Be a good tow rig. Now I done it. Whew, mercy me. Mercy me, what have I got myself into? I like it. The engine still work good. Can't believe that. Just oil them up real good. I'll beat this fender out here. A little patch on the bottom. The doors, both the doors are pretty rough. I don't know if they're fixable or not. Well, anything's fixable. I'm gonna decide how much work I'm gonna put into them. But that's further on down the road. Main thing is to get it up and rolling and running and driving. To decide which direction I want to go. Do I want a subframe, another chassis, or leave it all original? Don't know. But yeah, it's here. It's gonna be on the back burner for a minute. like it. Like the hood. And hood's in great shape, except for the surface rust. A little sweet patina sauce fix her right up. Yeah, I'm going to run the codes on the thing. I believe she was gray with white bumpers. Battleship gray. Well, Riff's Ride signing out.